Hello friends and welcome. Are you excited? Today we're going to learn about PebbleGo, a place that you can find lots of information about animals, science, social studies, health, and biographies. Let's get ready to explore. When you log into PebbleGo, you start on the home page, which looks like this. One of the first things you can do is click on this purple rectangle that says Capstone and decide whether you want your hover sounds to be on or off so that it will read you text as you scroll over on the page. The next thing is to decide what category of information you want to look at. So let's say, for example, that your teacher wants you to find out 3 facts about an animal. You could type up here if you already know the animal that you want, or you can click on animals. Now you can do this by clicking on animals in English, or you can click on the Spanish below to make all of your information come up in Spanish. So once you click on animals, it gives you options. You can see all the different options of animals that there are. Let's say that we want to look up something about fish. So we're going to click on fish. And ooh, we really like sharks. So let's click on sharks to find out more information about different kinds of sharks. From here, you can see all the different kinds of sharks that you can look up information about. I really like whale sharks. So we're going to click on whale sharks to see what kind of information we can find. Once you're on the animals page, you can learn about their body, their habitat, their food, life cycle, and even some fun facts. And if you want to find out more information, you can click the Read More tab, where you can find articles and even books all about your animal. From here, you can open and even read the book right where you are. If you go back to the animal page, you can even go to the bottom and view a video or do an activity to do with your animal. At any time on PebbleGo, you can switch your information into Spanish, and then if you need to, back to English. You can also go back 1 page, 2 pages to a category, back to the big category, or even back to the home page by clicking the circular icons at the top of your page. One of the other fun things you can do on PebbleGo is that you can play games related to each category, like this jigsaw, a word scramble, a match game, and lots of other things. You can even click on the question of the day, which gives you an option about which dog group today you would like to learn more about. Let's look up terriers. Ooh, 21% really wanted to look up terriers today. One of the other fun things you can do if you don't have an idea about what you want to look up is click this icon at the top of the page, the spinner icon. That will take you to an article about something in that category without you deciding anything. It'll just surprise you. What a fun way to learn new facts. I hope you all have so much fun exploring PebbleGo and finding out more information about topics that interest you.